Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a unicorn cake. Yes little friend, unicorn cake. So let's start to draw a unicorn cake. At first we will draw the cake structure, yes, the basic structure. Then we will draw the details, the unicorn and his ear. After that we will draw the cake cream, and after that his two big eye and cute eye, yes, like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yes, like that. We are almost done. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Yes, like that. Almost done. Now we are using a thick marker for bordering the drawing. Yes, like that. The cute eye is here. How it is? It is looking so nice. The cute unicorn is here. Yes, like that. The cute unicorn, the cute unicorn, unicorn. Unicorn, the cute unicorn cake, unicorn cake, yay, like that. So let's learn the colors name. This is our colors. This is baby pink color, red color, orange color and sky blue color. At first we are using the sky blue color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.